Hey everybody, this is Eric for Little Whitehouse, and I am thankful for learning and information. Before I go any further, would you please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you are not already part of our community. Now, lately I have been like a sponge. I've been reading 3 different and very different books. They may not seem to be, what do you say, they may not seem to have a common theme. That the first one is Taking Back Your Faith from the American Dream by David Platt. It talks about where we really should be as Christians instead of where we are as a community, as a society. We're more self-centered than we've ever been in our history, and we need to be more people-centered and focus more on the glory of God instead of focusing on ourselves and what we can do. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is by Robert Kiyosaki, and it gives you financial advice. I know that doesn't sound like it has anything to do with taking back your faith from the American dream, but in actuality, you know, God gives us money so that we can help others, or He gives us wealth so that we can help others. So, you know, I'm trying to figure out the principles of making money so that I can help others. And lastly, I want to be in good health, so I'm reading a book called How Not to Die by Dr. McGregor, and it gives you all kinds of studies and various things that help you gain your health back. Because let's face it, we live in a society where everybody is sick, and the pharmaceuticals and the food companies and everybody basically wants to keep you sick because that's how they make money. It's a endless revolving door, so to speak. You go to the grocery store, you eat the processed food, and it gets you sick, so then you go to the hospital and they prescribe you a pill and you feel better for a while, but it has side effects, so you can't seem to win. But the simplest thing is to just change what you're eating and eat what's good for you, instead of trying to eat what you like and pay later. What are you thankful for today? Leave me a comment in the comments below. And I hear that those may be going away at some point, but thank you so much for interacting. Now, we're also on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.